Earnin gives you access to money you've already earned before payday, while Empower combines cash advances with budgeting and spending tools inside a single app. That difference changes whether you're getting a paycheck-based payout tool or a full money management system. By the end, you'll know how each app handles eligibility, how fast the money actually arrives, and which one fits better depending on whether you want direct wage access or a broader financial app. Earnin is built around your paycheck. It connects to your bank account and tracks your earnings or direct deposits. The idea is simple. You can access money you've already worked for before your employer pays you. The app focuses on fast access to earned wages with a straightforward request process. Empower works as a broader financial app. Earnin. It also offers cash advances, but it includes budgeting tools and spending tracking features in the same system. Instead of only focusing on early pay access, it is designed to help you manage your overall money flow in one place. Now break down eligibility. Earnin focuses heavily on your income activity. If your paycheck deposits are consistent and trackable, you're more likely to qualify for early access to earned wages. Empower also looks at income consistency, but it evaluates your overall financial behavior inside the app system, not just paycheck timing alone. Now talk about how money access works. Earnin is tied directly to your earnings. You request access to money you've already worked for, and the system verifies your income before releasing funds. Empower adds more structure around your cash access. You still request advances, but they sit alongside budgeting tools and spending insights inside the same app. Now the key difference. Earnin is focused on early access to wages you've already earned. Empower is focused on combining cash advances with ongoing financial management tools. So the decision depends on how you want to use the app. If your main goal is direct access to your paycheck before payday, Earnin is more focused and straightforward. If you want a financial app that also helps you budget and track spending, Empower gives you more tools in one place. Here's the simple breakdown. Earnin is narrow and paycheck focused. Empower is broader and combines cash access with budgeting features. Both use income data, but they are built for different financial needs. Do this next. Think about whether you only need early access to wages or whether you want budgeting and money tracking built into the same app. Then compare how often you would actually use those extra features. If you want simple earned wage access, Earnin fits better. If you want a full budgeting and cash advance system, Empower is the stronger choice.